To begin using the converter, open the tape deck and place an audio cassette tape down into the deck and close it. This converter uses the Easy Vinyl/Tape Converter software. Double click on that icon and then click Next to get past the intro screen. Now we'll need to set our levels. Press play on the audio cassette and then observe the level meter. If the audio levels are too high, the recording will be distorted. If they're too low, the recording will be too quiet. Ideally, we want them in about the upper third of the meter's range as shown here. This can be adjusted using the gain slider to the left of the meter. Once we're satisfied that we have the levels correct, we can go back to the tape converter, hit stop, rewind the tape to the beginning, and then hit play only after hitting the record button on the Easy Vinyl Converter software. Recording will now begin. We've selected here to split into tracks automatically. Once complete, go ahead and hit stop on the tape converter and click next on the software. This will allow us to select names for our tracks, artist name. Once we have everything named correctly, click next again, and then click on the open save location to see your saved files. We can now move these over to a USB drive.